pretty much done. All that's left is I like to add a little label. Just make a new text layer. Call this Uno. Fix the color. Bump up the point size. And because this is the underside, we will need, and we're looking through the circuit board, really, we need to flip it. So, there we go. Then we just merge all our layers. And there's our layout image. From here, if you want to print it directly from this image, just make a new document at 300 dpi. Generally an 8.5 by 11 works. And then just select the circuit board and copy it over. And the image that you get out of DIYLC is at 72 dpi. So if you try printing just this image, it's going to not scale correctly to whatever it was, 2.1 inches by 1.8 or 1.9. But if you copy it over to a 300 dpi, it is the correct size. We can go in and make some guides on the side and see that, well, make this 0. Close enough. But yeah, that's 2.1. And this is 1.8. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. From here, I will make a probably just use this for my print template, or to add to the transfer library, and then I'll also make a drilling template for the board-mounted pots for a 1590B. Hopefully the jacks don't get in the way down at the bottom, but we should be fine. It's not a very large board, so it should work out just fine. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and keep checking out the blog for more layouts. There never seems to be an end of schematics out there, of pedals out there. So there's going to be more to come. And if there's anything I wasn't clear on, or something you didn't understand, comment below, or hit me up over on the blog. And I'll do my best to explain. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.